We're here outside of the Midtown building in Indiana, Pennsylvania. And I believe we have an old Otis block button in here. It's a nice old lobby. This elevator's probably not original, but it's still old. Probably from the 60s. Dim in here. Up to 5. Here we go. Indicator doesn't do off on. Selector is probably replaced. That does not sound like an Otis selector. 5. Boom. Music store here. 5.1. New element. Quirky, but just as I like it. Certificate. Nothing in the phone, but there was that kind of phone there at one point in time. It's a basic white metal Otis elevator, carpeted flooring, a pink door. I believe there's another similar Otis block one next door by the same owners here back in 1. Boom. It runs well and it has quartz, just as I like it. How is it not going to be it?